Next up is Mike DION.
My presentation is about cloning and how it is dangerous and unsafe for the numerous health risks it poses. You have a good handle what cloning is, but cloning is used to create a similar organism, the same DNA. Cloning was first used on sheep and mice and other animals in the 90s. When cloning is successful, which it isn't very often, it creates an identical organism to the cloned donor. This just explains what cloning is. You have the cells here, and you have the egg cell here. Take out the nucleus, because that has DNA, which you don't want. And then you fuse the egg cell and the cell without the nucleus, and eventually that turns into an embryo, which then later develops into a baby. The most successful clone was Dolly the sheep. She was very lucky to be born because out of 270 tries of sheep, she was the one that was successful. She suffered from many things, including premature aging. She was 6 when she died. The normal sheep is 12 years old. And she had short telomeres, which are DNA sequences at the end of a chromosome that protect from the chromosome basically being deleted. And in cloning, telomeres shorten with each cell division. And here, telomeres that do shorten. She also suffered from lung cancer and arthritis. As you see, she was one of many that was actually successful, but did not fail. For cloning, is the statistics are 0.1 to 3% in which they will actually be successful, and that's not a very good percentage. There are other risks that could have happened. First, we obviously have a high failure rate. Cloning has over 90% of its tries failed, and the reasons this might be is because the donor and the DNA will not be compatible with the egg cell, and the embryo will not develop properly. In other cases, you have a premature birth and also premature aging. In adult animals that are cloned, only 1 to 3% of the clones survive. So if you look around the room, 1 out of 3. So making you die, you die, you live, and everybody else would die, except for the person. And out of all the mice, there's 10 out of 12 mice that died after 800 days that they were cloned, while mice that were not cloned, only 1 died. There are also genetic defects, such as a large organ during the birth year, which can cause suffocation. So if the organs get too large, it can block airways, which oxygen cannot get through. So you also have trouble just getting air to the brain, cause suffocation too. And some clones have trouble fighting off disease because their immune functions do not work properly, and there are other brain functions. This is possible. You could have a genetically mutated disease, say you're trying to cure cancer. Well, if something backfires, you could have a disease that could be even worse than cancer. This could be due to the donor not being, there could be like a mutagen like DNA code, and the disease could spread. The telomeres, which Dolly had, were shortened. The DNA sequences, and they become shorter as division keeps going on. And with uncontrolled division, this would not be very good. So, all I want to say is there are some good things that could come from cloning, but it does not outweigh the bad things that cloning has, such as death, birth defects. And even the most successful clone Dolly suffered from complications, and that's not exactly what you want for a life. If you have a life, wasn't worth living, you're just going to die. You know exactly how you're going to die. That's why I believe hunting must be stopped. Because the benefits do not outweigh the actual risks that we do know right now.
Thank you.